Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. I hope you all are doing well. If you are new here, please take a moment to subscribe to my channel and also hit the bell icon so that whenever I post a video, you'll be notified. As you guys know that I have uploaded the first part of my Pink Friday sale haul, that is the skincare haul, and this would be the makeup haul. So I was editing the video and I have realized that the video was kind of getting little larger, so I have decided to divide that into two parts. So this is the second part. So without any further ado, let's dive straight into the video. So let's move towards the makeup products. I got quite a lot of, not quite a lot, but I got decent amount of makeup products. So these are the makeup products which I ended up buying. So I'll just show you one by one which and all I got and which are the best products which I can recommend you guys, and you can just go for it and buy if you are interested. So let's get started. First product is this Nykaa's Prep Me Up face primer. So this is the second tube I got. First I was running out of the first tube, so I ended up buying the second one. This is the best silicone based primer which is in the affordable range, as well as the best primer I have ever used. Perfect base, like it smoothens your skin. So yeah, that's the reason. It also says that it tones plus soothes plus perfect. So I got that. So next up, I just wanted to try another primer from Color Bar. So this is the packaging. But I have heard a lot of reviews about this, and there was like nice offer going on Color Bar. So that's the reason why I got this. So the packaging looks pretty well. I haven't used this primer yet, but I will definitely use in some of the other video. There was like very good deal running on Color Bar. Like there was like 40% off when I was adding this into cart. But when I was checking out from the cart, there was like extra 10% off on Color Bar. And I got only one product from Color Bar, but still I got the 10% off. So next up, for the base, I got the Nykaa Skin Shield Anti-Pollution Foundation. So this is the 30 ml foundation, and I have been trying many in the sense like I have tried 4 to 5 foundations from Maybelline's Super Stay and the Fit Me one, the L'Oreal one, the Lakme one, but the Nykaa Skin Shield, this anti-pollution foundation is the best foundation. I can give 10 on 10 for this foundation. And I'm in the shade Hot Honey. This blends so easily, like it gives the flawless base on your skin, and it is a buildable foundation, like it is a high coverage foundation only, but this gives a very subtle glow. No, it does not makes your face cakey. So I would give 10 on 10. This is the best ever foundation I tried till now. Wet n Wild Mega Glow Contouring Palette Contour. So the reason why I got this is that I was looking for a bronzer. I just wanted to try this Mega Glow one, the Duo one. This has the contouring palette as well as the setting powder. Like this particular powder is so good for setting your base, and this contour also does a pretty well job. I'm happy with this buy. Moving towards the eyes, I got the Nykaa's Wow My Brow palette, and this is the best Nykaa brow palette. There is a pencil one, but I just wanted to buy a powdered brow palette. So this has a mirror as well, as you can see. So it comes with this brush, which is angular brush, and also it has a spoolie lid, like so. Then this is what. So this helps to keep your powdered very safe instead of making messy. I just keep this very safely because I believe that if there is some kind of paper lying on your makeup, then it does not makes your makeup, like it does not spreads all over. And also mostly it happens that the product goes and fall on your mirror. So instead of just spoiling your mirrors, it's better that you keep this in handy. So that is this, and the pigmentation and everything is so good. So I'm happy with that as well. I got quite a lot of products, makeup products from Nykaa, because there was like 40 to 50% off, and I have been using Nykaa makeup products. Wanted to try it, and I have heard a lot of reviews as well. So next up I got the Nykaa's blush. This is the Duo blush. So, and this is in the shade Brazil Bombshell 01. So the pigmentation and the blush is so good. I have the Sugar Wala also, that is also quite good. And if you want me to recommend any two kind of blushes, then I would highly recommend the Sugar blush mini blushes and the duo blush as well. I can show the pigmentation, some lighter shade, and this is the darker one. The darker one is so pigmented. So next up I have a highlighter that is from Sugar. So this is a mini highlighter in the shade 02 Gold Glory. So this is a beautiful highlighter and it's so pigmented. As you can see, this is so pigmented. It's so subtle, and also it blends very well into your skin. So yeah. Next up I have a primer from Sugar. So this is a lip primer. Oops. So this is a lip primer. I don't know why did I buy this particular product. This is like does nothing to your lips. Like it just moisturizes your lips, which your lip balm also can do. But I don't know, for some reason I thought that it might be prime your lips very well, and then it just lighten your lips, and it is very easy to apply any kind of dark shades or lighter shades on your lips. But I'm not happy with this buy. This is kind of a lip balm only. Instead of spending on this, you can just spend on a good lip balm as Laneige. So yeah. So next up I got the Wet n Wild's liquid lipstick. This is in the shade Nudist Peach. So this is a beautiful shade, but the formula is not at all a good formula. Like it makes your lips so dry. In winters I would not recommend this particular lipstick, because this makes your lips so dry. If you are someone who like the shade like I have, like this is a beautiful peachy shade. As you can see, this is so peachy shade. I just love the shade. The reason I got this is because this is so, but it looks so creamy and so moisturized right now, but when this dries up it's too dry and cakey. Like if you do like so, it feels so dry, like so dry and also sticky. So that's the reason the shade is so beautiful. As you can see, I just love the shade. So if you're someone who does not like the formula but still wanted to use, then what you can do is you can just apply 2 to 3 layers of your lip balm underneath, and then you can apply this liquid lipstick. If you still feel that it's too dry, then you can apply any sort of clear lip gloss. I think I would use in that way because I just love the shade. So next up, moving towards the lipsticks, I got this Sugar's mini lipstick. So this I got in free because I got the lip primer as well as the this highlighter, and also I got a kajal which I'm wearing right now. The kajal is so good, even the highlighter is so good. The kajal is so smudgeful. It's been now 3 hours I guess I have got ready and I'm sitting to shoot, but because of so much of noise happening around my area, so I was not able to complete this video so soon. Kajal is so intact, so I would highly recommend to get this kajal. If you're someone who is kajal person, then I would highly recommend. I'm not someone who is kajal person. I just do not like applying kajal, but applying Sugar's kajal, I just loved it. I'm just happy because I got that. So after buying this particular product from Sugar, I got this Sugar mini liquid lipsticks. So these are the liquid lipsticks which I got. I even didn't like this product because the formula is quite drying, but this is completely drying product, but this is somewhere okayish, and also you can barely tell any difference in these two shades. Why would someone buy two shades similar? So just because I got this free, I'm using it. And even there is a orange shade. I would never buy a orange shade. Yeah, I can use it if I want to do something experimental. If I want to do some experiments, then I would highly do it. Even you can use liquid lipsticks as your eyeliner, so that's the best one. I can use it as that, but I would never step out of my house wearing this particular shade. So yeah, I am not complaining about it because I got it for free, but still I'm not that happy. Moving on, I got the Lakme's Forever Matte Liquid Lip Color. So this is the shade. I say that I am in love with this shade. The formula, the consistency, the wand, and the smells. It smells like chocolate. I am loving it. Like you, when you apply this particular lipstick, you feel to eat it. The day from when I got this particular shade liquid lipstick, I have been using continuously. This is in the shade Nude Dream, and this is, I would highly recommend this particular shade as well as the particular formula. If you want to buy, I would highly say that you go for this one. You can, there are a lot of shades from this range, so you can probably go. I will mention all the links as I said in the description box below. Nextly, I got the lipstick from Maybelline, and this is their the creamy matte lipsticks. So I have got this lipstick for the shade because I have tried so many nude shades, peachy shades as well as pink shades a lot. Even I have tried red shade, but I have never tried the wine shade. There is no such color in my collection, so I just wanted to get something similar to this, so that's the reason why I got. And the consistency and the texture is completely fine. I'm happy. I'll just swipe it for you guys. This is so rich wine color. And this is creamy as well. So for winters, I would highly suggest. So next up, I got the Lakme's Lip Love Lip Balm. So this is in the shade Cherry. So I always end up buying lip balms because I just have a habit of getting lip balms a lot. I always try different brands of lip balm because I always tend to get dry and chapped lips. So that's the reason I always keep on switching my lip balms. And this time I'm completely happy that I have invested in Laneige because it's a best lip balm. But I always wanted to get a tinted lip balm, so that's the reason why I got this. So tinted lip balms makes your job very easy. Like in winters, you can just apply a tinted lip balm and you're sorted. You just don't need to apply any lipstick above it. And even you can use a tinted lip balm as your cheek tint, so which is a very good one. Your cheeks are always moisturized, as well as even there is a slight of tint present on it, so that's the reason why I got this one. Next up, I got the Maybelline Superstay Matte Ink liquid lipstick. So this is the first ever time that I have tried purple shade. I have never tried such colors, but I just wanted to experiment. And I have tried another burgundy shade from this range. I can show the particular shade. Yeah, so this is the liquid lipstick which I tried earlier. This is slightly darker to my skin tone. I did not feel that this particular shade would suit me, but the consistency, the pigmentation and the texture and the formula of this particular liquid lipstick is so good. It stays for a long time. Just if you apply a little quantity, like the very little quantity goes a long way. So I just like this, and I just wanted to try some other color, but I did not wanted to get any peachy shade because I already have so many nude shades. So that's the reason why I thought of trying this. The packaging is slightly different of this, but the size is completely similar, but the packaging is different. The consistency is so good and the pigmentation is, it's completely similar, but the only thing is that the outer packaging is different. So this is something it looks like. It is looking little pinkish on the camera. I'm not sure. Oops. But this is slightly towards purple in real, but on camera it's showing slightly pinkish. So yeah, that is this. So next up, I got the Nykaa Matte to Last Can't Be Tamed. This is a metallic liquid lipstick. So I'm not sure, like this is not meant for lips. What I feel is, actually it says that it is metallic liquid lipstick, but I would never prefer applying metallic liquids, like metallic lipsticks on my lips. So instead, this is the best product you can use for your lips, sorry, to your eyes. This is the best product that you can use to your eyes. So this is in the shade Can't Be Tamed. So this is the 5 ml product, and I would take a moment and appreciate the packaging. Bottle is clear and the cap is so cool, like it's in ombre shade. So I just love the packaging, even the box which comes in it. And I also love the wand. of this easily can go towards your inner corners of your eyes. I would highly recommend to use this particular product for your eyes under instead of your lips. You can always use this if you want to experiment, but I do not like matte metallic lipsticks, so that's the reason why I do not prefer using on lips. Instead I can just use this for eyes. I'll just show the consistency. I have taken a very little quantity. This looks something like so. This has a lot of sheen in this, so that's the reason I do not like sheen products. I like the glossy one, but this has sheen in it, so that's the reason I do not prefer using it on lips. So what you can do is that you can just apply it all over your lids, as well as you can just do a wing liner with this. Even you can buy two shades from this range and you can play with that. So there are beautiful colors available on from this range. So next I got the Nykaa's Get Set Clicked powder compact. So this is the cream to powder. I did not personally like this particular product because as you can tell, I have used this couple of times and the sponge is so bad in condition. So as you can see, the consistency, the texture is so different. This is not the compact. As you can see, this feels like it is something like a foundation. So to try this, I have not yet tried in that way. So what you can do is you can just take a beauty blender, damp beauty blender, and you can just apply this as a foundation, like as a BB cream. This will not give a high coverage, but I can assure that it can give a decent finish, like the decent coverage to your face. And you can just apply this as a BB cream, and then you can just set this with a compact like so. Then I guess this will work very well. It does not set your base. Instead it makes your base very cakey. So instead you can just, I would suggest that if you are interested to buy any compact, then I would suggest to get another Nykaa's compact. There is another Nykaa's compact which looks something like Maybelline's compact. So you can get that one instead of getting this one. So I would highly recommend that one, not this one. So yeah, as I got it, I have to make some jugaad and I have to use that. So yeah, lastly, not lastly, this is the second last product which is the Maybelline's the Hyper Curl mascara. This is the waterproof mascara. So earlier I have this mascara which is the normal one. This time I got the waterproof one. Right now I'm wearing the same mascara. I'm pretty happy with this mascara. So yeah. So lastly I got the Maybelline's new lasting drama gel liner. So this says that it lasts you up to 36 hours, and this is in the shade 01 black. So this looks something like so. This comes in a small tub. I have used once. So as you can see, I have used once. So this comes with a brush. So this is a sleek brush which comes with it. So it is labeled as Maybelline, and I'm not happy with the brush because the wound, I don't often apply liners so good. I will be able to apply liner with the thinnest wand which comes in a Lakme, the smaller package one, the older one. So I can just do wing liners with that, but with this I have to figure it out. Pigmentation and is so good, and it also lasts for longer time, but I have used this for I guess 4 to 5 hours. So I can't say that it lasts you for 36 hours. Even no one will be able to use a particular product on your face for 36 hours. So this will does a pretty well job. So this is the last product that I got, and I'm pretty happy with my buys. Here and there I'm regretting buying one or the two products, but completely I'm just happy. But the only thing I can say that I can mention all the links of the products in the description box below, but I would not suggest, or I would not say that you will get the products on the same prices which I got, because there was a Pink Friday sale running in which I got the products for around 40 to 50% off. Some products I got 20% off, some products I got only for 5%, and some products I did not got any offer. So I would suggest you to go and click on the link the products. Even there will be Christmas sale I guess coming, So if you are interested to buy something, you can just wait for 10-15 days more and you can just buy it. I'm not sure whether there will be sale or not, but surely there will be some other sale running. Okay, so I have shared all the mini reviews on these products. I have used a couple of products for longer time, I have used a couple of products for first time. If you want me to share any detailed review on any particular product, please let me know in the comment section below. I would love to do it for you guys. So yeah guys, this was it for this video. I hope this video was helpful for you guys, and also you can go check all the links of these products in the description box below. I have mentioned all the links of this product. So yeah guys, this was it for this video. Thank you for watching this video, and if you like, so please hit the like button. And also do not forget to subscribe to my channel, and see you in the next video. Till then, take care. Bye bye.